Hi, this is Mike from Quanta Consulting, worldwide distributor of the SCIE system. Please visit quanta-offshore.com and download the Quanta SCIE PDF for more information about SCIE. Now, what you and I are going to do in this meeting is we're going to create your SCIE cell. Now, I have generated a license key on Quanta's master distributor program. The key was generated at random. I activated that key. Your license is now running. So, the system gave me a randomly generated user ID, encryption key, and password key. They're all temporary. I've entered the information. Everything after this is you and you alone. Okay? You are on the thin client right now. This is what you will see when you activate the thin client. So let's create your cell. And this is the knowledge, the extent of knowledge that the salesperson has, the temporary. He's not there watching you put this in. So now let's pick your administration name. So for this demonstration, we'll use mine, Mike. I'm going to put in a new cell key. Now this is what generates the encryption. I am now encrypting the cell and I have the key. So let me put it down. Okay. It will check it, verify it, and put in something that's easy for you to remember. Easy for you, that you don't have to write it down. If you can tell, I'm not the world's greatest typist. Okay, I need a new cell administration password. If your password is not long enough, the system will prompt you and tell you to put in a longer password. I'll show you that later on when we make some users. Okay. So you're on the thin client, you put in your temporary, now you're going to initialize the cell. Voila, we're in. Now you'll see this window will pop up. What this is instructing you to do is to access the thin client again and to formally open up your cell. But because of the limitations of this screen capture video, I can't show you that. But trust me, that's what happens. And the reason we do this is that if you're like me, you might tend to be a little dyslexic. You could have typed in suppose you used an old address, you could have inverted the 6 and the 8. So this way it will show that all your information is correct the way you want it. Okay, because if you were to close this window right now, just hit confirm, and you don't have your information right, you're going to have to sit and play around with it. There's nothing I can do for you. You've already paid for the system, and we can't tell if you're really on that system or not. So that's why you don't ever close this window until you're actually into your SCIE cell. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to confirm it, okay, because I know what the information is, and if I happen to put it in wrong, I can always generate another demo cell for the demonstration. So I'm going to confirm it. Now you would have another window open, you're into your system, and this appears. Your new cell is now ready for use because you have it open. This window will now exit, and if you don't click OK, it just exits on its own. So I'll see you in the next meeting and we'll go through your cell.